Unlock the power of your HDFC bank account by easily accessing your bank statements online, anytime, anywhere. Forget physical statements and embrace the convenience of digital banking. Here's how to get your HDFC bank statement online in just a few steps. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official HDFC Bank NetBanking login page. Enter your customer ID and then your IPN or password to securely log into your account. Once logged in, look for the Accounts section or Inquire option on the main dashboard. Within the Accounts section, locate and click on View Account Statement or Statement of Account. Now, you'll be prompted to select the period for which you need the statement. Choose your desired date range, whether it's the last 3 months, 6 months, or a custom period. Next, select your preferred format for the statement. We recommend PDF for easy viewing and printing. Finally, click on the Download button. Your bank statement will be downloaded to your device, ready for your review. Accessing your HDFC bank statement online is that simple, empowering you to manage your finances efficiently and securely. Stay tuned for more banking tips.